Hi, welcome to another edition of Azure Every Day. I'm Paul Turley, and I want to talk to you briefly about the XMLA endpoint for Power BI Premium. This is a game changer. This is going to open the door and give us the ability to really treat the Power BI platform as an enterprise scale service. What does this mean really? Well, Power BI for the past 6 years has really been focused on the self-service story. Now, Power BI is based on some very capable, very powerful technologies like the SQL Server Analysis Services tabular in-memory analytic engine. But we've really been focused on the self-service story. Now, with the XMLA endpoint, it allows us to treat the Power BI Premium Capacity Platform as a truly scalable enterprise class analysis services database engine. So this may change the way that we architect solutions. It may influence us to use the Power BI platform exclusively for managing enterprise class data models rather than using SQL Server Analysis Services and/or Azure Analysis Services. So you can now use SQL Server Management Studio, Visual Studio, SQL Server Data Tools, and other IT-centric tools to be able to manage your Power BI models and be able to perform version control, application lifecycle management, and continuous integration. There's a lot to this story, and there are a lot of little things to be worked out, but keep your eye on this feature and continue to watch us as we demonstrate more capabilities. We're building projects using the XMLA endpoint today. We're getting a lot of experience with this, and we have some success stories to show around architecting and managing those projects. Keep watching Azure Every Day, and thanks for joining.